Welcome to the whirlwind world of mobile testing. Unleash the power of your applications with these quick tips. Firstly, embrace the emulator. It's a tool that replicates your mobile device software on your PC. It's your best friend for early testing stages, allowing you to identify and rectify bugs swiftly. Secondly, remember, device fragmentation is not your enemy. It's a challenge to conquer. Test your application on a variety of devices with different screen sizes and operating systems. It's all about ensuring your app's versatility. Thirdly, always prioritize user experience. Test your app's functionality, but don't forget about its look and feel. An intuitive, user-friendly interface can make or break your application. Lastly, automate where you can, but don't neglect manual testing. Some aspects of your app will require a human touch to fully evaluate its performance. Remember, testing is a journey. Take it one step at a time and watch your mobile application flourish. Until next time, keep testing and triumphing.